Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk to you about Ardosons, a medication that combines indomethacin, betamethasone, and methocarbamol. This powerful trio is often prescribed to manage pain and inflammation associated with various conditions. So let's dive into how and when to use Ardosons effectively. It is primarily used to treat conditions like arthritis, bursitis, and muscle pain. It's a preferred choice for many doctors because of its unique combination of an anti-inflammatory and a muscle relaxant, which work together to relieve pain and reduce swelling. Now, how does Ardosons work? Indomethacin, the anti-inflammatory component, reduces the body's production of certain chemicals that cause inflammation. Betamethasone, a corticosteroid, further suppresses inflammation, and methocarbamol helps relax tense muscles. Together, they form a potent formula to manage discomfort. Regarding dosage and administration, it's crucial to follow your doctor's instructions. Generally, the initial dose may be higher, followed by a maintenance dose that varies depending on your specific condition and response to treatment. Remember, it's essential to take Ardosons exactly as prescribed. Side effects may include upset stomach, dizziness, and headaches. It's important to be aware of these and consult your doctor if you experience any severe reaction. Additionally, there are important precautions to keep in mind, such as avoiding alcohol and other medications that could interact with Ardosons. In conclusion, Ardosons can be an effective solution for managing pain and inflammation, but like any medication, it requires careful use to maximize benefits and minimize risks. Always stay in touch with your doctor while taking this medication. Thank you for your attention and take care. Break time point 5.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.